Touch typing. It is one of the toughest things to learn. But if learned, it can potentially improve our lives by saving a lot of time to work on many other profitable things and not to rest our hands on the keyboard forever. A few weeks ago, I wanted to learn this touch typing and to improve my typing speed to around 60 words per minute. And Google says 60 words per minute is professional. So yeah, why not? The result is this, but the process being this.
Here we go. The word tell. T. Here it is. Here is T. I got it.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
So today I'm going to share you my experience and the mistakes I made while learning this so that you don't have to make the same mistakes when you do it. I found a website where you can measure the typing speed and I did my first typing test. And this is my first score without using proper form or without any knowledge about the touch typing. And I scored 17 words per minute. And according to Google, my speed is way below average. So I did some research and found a software where you can learn touch typing fast, known as Typing Master. There were several steps which include the right technique about touch typing. So while I was using the software, I learned how to properly place the fingers on the keys. So here is how it is. If you look at the keyboard, the letters F and J have a little bumps on them. And these are the keys where our index fingers of the left and right hand should be. The bumps on them help us identify the keys without looking at the keyboard. All other fingers should be on rest of the keys on the same row. But if you have to type the letter T, we can use our left index finger. And just like that, every finger has their own keys. Talking about our index fingers have a lot of works to do. For left hand, it originally sits on F, but it should go for T and R on the top row and B and V on the bottom row. Just like that, the right index finger is responsible for Y, U and N, M. Spending about 2 hours every day for about 2 weeks, I learned all these lessons. So then I finally decided to go and test my typing speed on the website. Actually, this is not how it looks. This is how it is. The result was not good enough. The thing is that now my fingers have an idea about the keyboard, but when I type, I still look at the keyboard. But the touch typing is basically typing without looking at the keyboard. It's like when you see a word, right away your fingers will decide where to go. It's all about developing the muscle memory. And now I have to try not to look at the keyboard. Since now I know the basics, I decided to stay on the website and to develop some muscle memory by doing the tests. The cool thing is that we can customize the time and the words which are toughest. So I listed the words which were tough for me and typed only those for a while. So I have spent 6 days learning this, and now I have decided to spend an entire day just for typing, hoping that by evening I would reach a speed of 60 words per minute. So the next morning I started with a score of 42 words per minute, and after 2 to 3 hours it became 49 words per minute. It was going smooth. Yeah, but not always. By the evening I could reach only 56 words per minute, and I couldn't continue because of this. And my hands were also tired. So 7 days passed and I couldn't get my goal. But the next day was a fresh start, and after a few hours I finally reached 60 words per minute.